gonna feed squirrels.
We have a couple in the neighborhood, right?
Yeah.
And they love our...
Watch out.
Oh. Oh, maybe we're feeding cats instead.
Okay. Get out of the bag.
You didn't open it very good.
It's falling on Oreo. It's raining tacos.
It's raining, it's pouring.
I stepped
The
on
peanuts are falling.
I stepped on this one.
Did you? Oh, you might as well eat it then, eh? See what it tastes like.
There's
if it's...
another nut in here, but I'm gonna leave that.
Oh yeah, leave that one for
I want to see if the cat.
for Mr. Squirrel or Mrs. Squirrel.
I want to see if the cats will eat a peanut.
No, no, no. Don't feed them a peanut.
Will you eat the peanut?
She's not interested.
You
Now.
want the peanut?
No. Mmm, good.
ASMR.
Mmm. Yummy.
I'll get you another one.
Okay, just one more, because Mr. Squirrel's going to get mad if he finds out that someone else is eating his peanuts.
Oh, I cracked it.
Mmm.
Here you go. Oh, I dropped it.
Oh, you dropped that one. I don't want that one now. It fell on the ground.
So?
No, give it to Mr. No! No!
Take it.
Oh, she's forcing me to eat in the bugs.
Take it.
There's bugs.
So?
Oh, protein.
Yeah, bugs are protein.
Bugs are so delicious. You giving me another one?
Yeah.
That's it. No more.
More.
Mm.
More.
Mm.
ASMR.
Yeah. Mm. She's shoving the camera in my face, not me. Okay. Well, now we gotta wait for Mr. Squirrel to show up.
Luna, where are you?
All right. Well, anyway, we're going to feed the neighborhood squirrels. There's a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them in the neighborhood. So she's going to pick the shells up when they're all eaten.